Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Speak English Fluently in 15 Days, Daily English Shadowing Practice. I'm so happy to see you here again. This is day 6 of our 15-day English speaking journey. Today's topic is shopping at the market. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk to a shopkeeper, ask for prices, buy fruits, vegetables, or groceries, and speak politely and confidently in English. Remember, shadowing means you listen and repeat after me. Try to copy my voice, tone, and rhythm. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice makes progress. Throughout this video, I'll say things like, repeat after me, or your turn. When I say that, speak out loud with me, okay? Are you ready? Let's start together and speak English confidently. Take a deep breath, smile, and say this with me. I'm ready to learn English today. Great. Let's begin our warm-up. Now, let's warm up with some simple English phrases you can use when shopping at a market. We'll start slow, then you'll repeat after me. Let's go. Greeting the shopkeeper, say this. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Hi. How are you today? Nice to see you. These are polite and friendly ways to greet someone in a shop or market. Asking for help. Now let's learn how to ask for help when you need something in a market. Listen and repeat. Excuse me? Can you help me, please? I'm looking for apples. Where can I find bananas? Do you have fresh tomatoes? Can I see that one, please? Perfect. You sound great, polite and clear, asking for prices. When shopping, you'll often want to know how much something costs. Let's practice those sentences. Now, your turn. Speak clearly and confidently. How much is this? How much are these? What's the price of this? Is this on sale? That's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Good job. Remember, discount means a lower price. Show an interest. Let's learn to sound friendly and interested. Wow, these look fresh. Oh, this is beautiful. I like this color. That smells so good. These fruits look delicious. Excellent. Keep smiling while you say them. It makes your English sound friendly and natural. Ending the conversation. When you finish shopping, be polite and thankful. Let's practice. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye. Fantastic. You did an amazing job in the warm-up. Now you know how to greet, ask questions, and end conversations politely. In the next section, we'll move into shadowing full sentences and real-life dialogues at the market. Take a small break, get some water, and come back ready to speak more English. Welcome back, my friends. Now it's time for our shadowing practice. Remember, listen carefully. Repeat after me. Copy my voice, tone, and rhythm. Let's start. We'll imagine you're shopping at your local market. You'll speak with the shopkeeper, ask about fruits, vegetables, and prices. Just like in real life. Ready? Let's go sentence by sentence. Hello. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I want to buy some fruit. These apples look very fresh. How much are these apples? They are 200 rupees per kilo. Okay, please give me 1 kilo. Do you have bananas? Yes, we do. They are right here. They look nice. How much for 1 dozen? 1 dozen bananas is 150 rupees. Can you give me a small discount, please? Okay, I'll give you 10 rupees off. Thank you. That's very kind. You're welcome. Anything else? No, that's all for now. Please pack them nicely. Here you go. Now, let's go to the vegetable stall. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, what would you like to buy? I need some onions and tomatoes. How much are the onions today? They're 120 rupees per kilo. Okay, please give me half a kilo. And how about the tomatoes? They're 100 rupees per kilo. They look so fresh. Yes, they came this morning. I'll take 1 kilo, please. Would you like anything else? Yes, I like some green chilies. How much do you want? Just a small bag, please. Sure, anything else? No, that's enough for today. That will be 400 rupees total. Here you go. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. Excellent job. You're speaking so naturally now. Each of these sentences can be used in real conversations when shopping at your local market. Remember, when you practice shadowing, focus on clarity, speak clearly, rhythm, follow the flow of English speech, confidence. Don't worry about small mistakes. In the next section, we'll practice these same sentences again, but a little faster, just like how native speakers talk. This will help you sound more natural and fluent. Take a short break, relax your mouth, and get ready for natural speed practice. Welcome back, my friend. You've done an amazing job so far. Now, it's time for natural speed practice. That means we'll say all the same sentences again, but this time a little faster, more connected, and more natural, just like how people really speak in English. Ready? Let's go. Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Focus on speaking clearly, smoothly, and confidently. At the fruit stall. Let's begin. Repeat after me, but now with a bit more flow. Hello, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. I want to buy some fruit. These apples look very fresh. How much are these apples? They're 200 rupees per kilo. Okay, please give me 1 kilo. Do you have bananas? Yes, we do. They're right here. They look nice. How much for 1 dozen? 1 dozen bananas is 150 rupees. Can you give me a small discount, please? Okay, I'll give you 10 rupees off. Thank you. That's very kind. You're welcome. Anything else? No, that's all for now. Please pack them nicely. Here you go. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Good. Let's do that again. Even smoother this time. Now try to connect your words together, like this. Can you give me a small discount, please? Okay, I'll give you 10 rupees off. Thank you. That's very kind. Hear how it flows? Let's repeat these 3 lines naturally. Can you give me a small discount, please? Okay, I'll give you 10 rupees off. Thank you. That's very kind. Excellent. Keep your rhythm steady. English flows like music. At the vegetable stall. Now let's move on to the vegetable stall part. Same sentences, faster pace. Ready? Repeat after me confidently. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, what would you like to buy? I need some onions and tomatoes. How much are the onions today? They're 120 rupees per kilo. Okay, please give me half a kilo. And how about the tomatoes? They're 100 rupees per kilo. They look so fresh. Yes, they came this morning. I'll take 1 kilo, please. Would you like anything else? Yes, I'd like some green chilies. How much do you want? Just a small bag, please? No, that's enough for today. Here's your bag. That'll be 400 rupees total. Here you go. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. Nice job. That's the sound of natural fluent English, clear, confident, and friendly. Quick recap and motivation. Let's review what we just practiced. You learned how to greet politely at the market, ask for prices naturally, request help or discounts kindly, speak with rhythm and confidence. Now, take a deep breath and say this with me. I can speak English confidently. My English sounds better every day. I am improving with every word I say. Beautiful. You're growing more fluent step by step. And this is exactly how you build real speaking skills. Next, we'll focus on vocabulary and pronunciation. We'll learn 5 to 7 useful words and phrases from today's lesson and practice saying them clearly. Welcome back. Now, let's learn and practice some important words and phrases from today's lesson. The ones you'll use again and again when shopping in English. We'll learn 7 useful words and expressions. I'll explain each one, give an example, and then you'll repeat after me for clear pronunciation. Ready? Let's begin. Fresh, meaning recently picked, not old, used for fruits, vegetables, or food. Example. These apples look very fresh. Per kilo, meaning the price for 1 kilogram of something. Example. The oranges are 200 rupees per kilo. Perfect. Discount, meaning a lower price or reduction in cost. Example. Can you give me a discount, please? Excellent. Pack them nicely, meaning to put the items in a neat or careful way, usually in a bag or box. Example. Please pack them nicely. Great. Half a kilo, meaning 0.5 kilograms, used when buying smaller quantities. Example. Please give me half a kilo of onions. Wonderful. Be sure to say half softly, not half, but half. That's all for today. Meaning, I have finished shopping or buying things. Example. That's all for today. Nice work. Have a nice day. Meaning, a polite way to say goodbye and wish someone well. Example. Have a nice day. Beautiful. You did a great job practicing pronunciation today. Remember, vocabulary plus pronunciation equals confidence. In our final part, we'll finish with motivation and review. I'll cheer you on, celebrate your progress, and share what's coming next in your English journey. Amazing work today, my friend. You did such a great job in this lesson. You spoke clearly, confidently, and with emotion. You should be so proud of yourself. Let's take a moment to remember what we learned today in Day 6 of our 15-day English speaking challenge, shopping at the market. You practiced how to greet a shopkeeper and start a conversation, ask for prices and quantities, ask politely for help or discounts, pronounce and understand common shopping words. That's a lot of English. Every time you repeat and shadow my voice, you're building stronger speaking muscles, just like when you exercise your body, but this time for your English fluency. Now, let's finish with some positive affirmations. Repeat after me with confidence. I am improving my English every day. I speak English with confidence. I enjoy learning new words. My pronunciation is getting better. I am proud of my progress. Each small step you take brings you closer to speaking English fluently and naturally. Remember, don't just watch this video once. Watch it again tomorrow. Repeat it out loud. Practice every sentence until it feels easy and natural. That's how real fluency grows, through small, daily practice. And don't forget, tomorrow we'll continue our journey together in day 7, where we'll learn about talk about the weather. It's going to be fun, useful, and full of simple sentences you can use every morning. Before we go, let me share one of my favorite motivational quotes with you. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. You've already started, and that means you're on your way to success. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You are doing amazing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, stay positive, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.